Yo, what's poppin', YouTube? Yo, what's poppin', Retro family? Retro gang gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kits coming back at you. I'm back at the shoebox. Yo, y'all been seeing what's going on at Nike, the pop-up sneaker Atlanta launch. Pop up with some heat. I ain't gonna get into that. Y'all been knowing me. I've been going live now for 10 days straight. I'm gonna keep y'all informed, but I had to get back into the shoebox. Let my gang, my family, my YouTubes, my day ones know what's going on. Yo, I just picked up some more heat. Unfortunately, you know what? It was from Nike, but I can't trip. I've been striking out there. Well, I ain't gonna say I've been striking out. You know why I ain't been striking out all the way? Because my subscribers, my day ones been getting heat. Even though I don't like the heat, they might like the heat. I don't say I don't like it, I might already have it. So shout out to my subscribers that got the Concords in 10.5 for retail. Shout out to Tavo, day one subscriber that got the gift card back around Christmas time for $175 plus. And then as well as, yo, you know me and Maddie, we help out the less unfortunate. If you didn't know, you know now. Go back out and check all the other videos out, all 70 of them. If I got 190 some subscribers, y'all go back and check out the other videos. Like, seriously, we need y'all. We're going to keeping y'all informed, keep y'all linked in. That's why I'm going to hit y'all with this heat right now, this unboxing. Yo, Nike, y'all stop tripping with this Just Do It tape. Y'all going to put this stuff out at our addresses and let people know what we got? Come on, Nike. From the pop-up, now the tape, y'all check the other videos out. I think me and Maddie was one of the first people to notice the change of the tapes. Trust me, check it out. We linked in, we know what's going on. So without further ado, let's get into this unboxing. By the thumbnail, now you know what it is. Let's go and unbox it. Let's do it raw together because I want to see it, you know what I'm saying, together like we see it together. Let's see, Nike box, what y'all got? Okay. Receipt. Let's go. Y'all tripping with this tape. Let's get that out the way. Stamp the Jumpman logo. I see that. Yeah, 120. I think with tax and everything, it was like say 139. You got the Jordan paper. Of course, don't worry, gang, family. You know I'm gonna hit the wall. You know I'm gonna hit the wall and give you a detailed review. Don't even worry about it. Y'all know what's going on by now. Y'all forgive me. I'm losing my voice. I've been grinding. There's been Super Bowls here. I hope whatever team that you wanted to win, they won. But I've been grinding here in the last 11 days, bringing y'all that heat and content. Ooh. Yeah, like I told you, if y'all checked the vlog, I told y'all they was mids. Let me shut this box down. They don't look bad. I'm not going to shut up here in front. This is the quality pack. The Mellows from Black History. Y'all check the other vidgies out, the vlogs. You know I say vidgies. You'll see I got the whole Black History Month collection. Actually, I forgot to upload one, which was the KDs. I got those. I'm going to give y'all an update version of the KD. But besides that, I got the whole last collection of the Black History Month. I'm not getting the whole pack this month. I've been looking at that all at the Nike pop-up. Can't even do it. So it's quality. Tongue, you got the Mellow symbol, of course. Okay. So you know what? Let's go ahead. Let's do it. Let's hit the wall. All right, let's get right into it, gang. We on that wall. Got the off-white laces. Of course, the Air Jordan trademark. The Wings logo. You got the leather up here, off-white silk, nice leather. You got the suede leather in the back. You got Equality. Black bottom. Once again, like I told you, you got the Mellow inside. Let's see if we got any message. No messages. You got the mellow inside. I like the off-white laces. Retail. So they're $125 plus tax. Look at that leather on that so y'all can see a detail. You know what I like to say? Leather buttery. Crocodile. Once again, hit you with some of this. Hope everything's showing up on camera. Get it up here. Of course, these are mids. Y'all slow the video down, speed it up. When I'm giving y'all that detailed review. Inside. So you know what? That's the wall. Oh, you ain't start watching, did you? Stop playing. I told you all my vidges. Me and Maddie vidges be different. This the last year's quality pack. You see the quality on the heel. These retail, I think, for $145. These are actually $120. It's quality on the back. This is the off-white pair with the leather buttery. Now you can see the difference. Versus this one, they got the black suede at the top. Suede on the heel on this one. Suede on the ankle. Got the gold tips. These laces was not no special laces. On these, you got your black laces. You still got the mellow logo on the inside. Let's turn this around, gang. This is Suede logo. Of course, you've seen the other logo here, which was that one. So it's last year's pack. I only wore them twice, if I'm not mistaken. I just wore these twice. Still looking good. But I did notice real quick, switch the laces up, but, you know. Had to show y'all a difference. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Maddie's Kicks. We appreciate y'all. Tell a friend and tell a friend. Yo, once we get to them 400 subscribers, don't forget about the Concords. Yo, with the 4-5 on the back, they can be yours in the lottery. Check the other videos out. Gang, gang, gone.